Greetings, Opix community. We are thrilled to report that Opix Algo Digital has been live for a week now, and the response has been nothing short of phenomenal. The subscription rate has exceeded our expectations, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. We are truly grateful for your dedication. It motivates us to strive for even greater excellence. Since the beginning, our Classic package has assisted thousands of traders, investors, and IBs all across the globe, empowering them with reliable tools for financial growth. Building on this success, we introduced the digital package, further empowering our loyal community with advanced capabilities. Together, these products offer a diverse array of trading instruments, from forex to commodities to cryptocurrencies, making it easier for our community to tap into the global financial market with confidence. But that's not all. Our OpixPay solution has become a daily part of life for hundreds of thousands of users, helping them manage their financial transactions with ease. Seeing our community benefit from OpixPay daily is a great source of joy for us. And we're not stopping there. Every product and service we launch is designed to be stable and user-friendly. We're excited to soon unveil more exclusive and exciting offers to all of you. Want to learn more? Join us at our Dubai Summit, where you won't just receive first-hand information, you'll also gain leads among your peers and potentially elevate your career and network to the next level. So come join us. Have fun and stay safe. I look forward to seeing you in Dubai.